There's Jake going down the street in his car. Wait, slow down so I can get his license plate. He even has his own personalized plate. Pretty cool. Las Vegas, Jake. Gran got him that. Yeah, baby. And then here's Miss Thing in her wagon. Usually Jake's riding with her, but she's got her best buddy. Jordan, say, I got my best buddy. TJ.
My first day at school.
Say, I got my best buddy, TJ.
Was I excited?
Say, we're going for a wagon ride down Marley Court, our street.
I have to see if I can put batteries in. I didn't realize that they took extra batteries. You're loving that.
I know you keep trying to hit it.
Supplies I needed.
Jordan, what are you doing? Just chilling?
He's happy. Jordan. Sister, are you having fun? Let's go back to Jake. There's Jake in his car. Ah, Jake, you crazy driver. Jake, are you a crazy driver? You doing more? I see you. Last year Jake couldn't push the button with his foot, and now he's pushing the button, but Daddy over here is controlling it. Daddy's got the remote control, he's controlling it. But Jake can push it with his foot.
Oh, I'm worried about Mickey.
There he goes. I'm getting dizzy.